Nĩ gĩikaro kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe atongoria matiganĩte thirikari nene na MCAs wandi-inĩ itiganĩte gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi. President William Ruto agĩtambũra itemi rĩa MCAs harĩ ũgacĩrithia wa thirikari cia matũra.
Members of County Assembly are the first port of call for mwananchi's issues right at the ground.
Being a leader of a county assembly is a very, very significant assignment.
To have strengthened fairness in resource distribution and ensured that development reaches beyond county headquarters into villages, markets, schools, health facilities, and rural infrastructure. In doing so, you have made equity practical and measurable.
Minister Munene Musalia Mudavadi nĩaririkanĩtie MCAs bata wa iturwa ciao thirikari-inĩ cia matũra na kũmoria matigetĩkĩre honge ingĩ kũiyũkia wĩra wao wa kũrora mĩrutĩre ya wĩra wa thirikari cia kaunti na gũtigĩrĩra kwĩna waragania thĩinĩ wa kaunti.
Do not allow your oversight and accountability role to be usurped by another institution. You are the ones who are supposed to oversight the county government. I don't know whether it is by design or whether it is that you forgot. It seems sometimes your role has been usurped. Reclaim your role as those who must provide oversight and accountabilities to county governments.
Mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩatatĩrithĩtie thirikari cia kaunti nĩciĩrũgamĩrĩire agĩtarĩria mũbango wa gũtigithũkania bajeti ya ũrũgamĩrĩri wa kaunti na bajeti ya arũgamĩrĩri a wandi.
We propose that the financial autonomy for county assemblies be put into law so that we be able to get monies that are from the exchequer directly.
The county executive should not control resources of county assemblies. As was stated, I did sign the law. Now it is the position in law that county assemblies are independent. The only issue that is there is because the budgets were already done, so it will begin to be operational from June when we do the new budgets. Now the county assemblies will budget separately from the county executive.
Ndeto ĩkonainie na mĩcara yao, President Ruto nĩathukĩire ũritũ mendekithia ma kamĩtĩ ya kũrĩha mĩcara SRC ya kũmongerera mĩcara, akiuga nĩ mekwambatirio kuma gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩa D4 kia mũcara wa ciringi 148 magana 841 nginya gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩa E1 kia mũcara wa ciringi 257 magana 747.
Many times ukiangalia payslip, hata ile allowance ya kukaa kwa nyumba, ile allowance ya assembly, it does not augur well.
They have also undertaken the re-evaluation of the member of county assembly role and responsibilities, and they have confirmed that it is necessary to upgrade.
President ndanetigithia gũtetera marĩa arĩkĩtie gũkinyanĩria ona thengia wa ũregani mũnene kuma kũrĩ mũingĩ, akĩhinyĩrĩria wĩra wake nĩ gũtungatĩra a Kenya no ti gwetha ngumo.
Lazima mtu akubali aitwe majina na lazima mtu akuwe unpopular, lakini we must make the right decisions for Kenya. You people, we are not elected to be popular. We are elected to do the right things for our nation.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.